for joining us again for another live weather on the Ones update. We continue to track active weather this morning. In fact, we have severe thunderstorm watches and warnings. Quite a difference, but I think for everyone it does mean just keeping an eye to the sky, getting ready for active weather. In the pink, we have a severe thunderstorm watch, meaning that there is no current active storms, but there are some working in your direction, because in the orange here we have a severe thunderstorm warning which pushes through Steuben and quickly makes its way to the east. Elsewhere there are no current warnings, but everyone's seeing rain here as we get Sky Tracker Doppler radar. What I see here is with that severe thunderstorm warning, a lot of this is falling apart. Heavy rain, gusty winds, the main concerns there, but we've seen active weather from really central New York up across the North Country. The roads are wet. It's a slow go. Keep that in mind as you are traveling and heading out the door this morning. The back edge of this is already evident here. You can see clearing in western New York. Clouds actually starting to clear just to the west of Lake Erie, Lake Ontario. So I expect to see some of this clearing continuing to push into our area throughout the day, probably seeing this active weather pushing through over the next couple of hours. And again, I think even this severe thunderstorm warning and watch area down to the south will expire over the next hour or so. Temperatures have dropped, but still warm and humid, and check out the dew point, still high, closer to